everybody, and welcome back to another video. My name is AnythinGoes.
And I'm Awkward Victoria.
And today what we're going to be working on is actually putting the gas can back on the scooter. We got a clean gas tank. The one we already had was a little bit too gone. It's not impossible. We might see if someone that's more experienced with restoring gas tanks can actually do something for us. But in the meantime, we did get a new one that's just clean inside, no problems. We're going to put that back onto the scooter, and we're also going to hopefully do a little bit of sanding. So as you guys can see in the inside of this assembly, it's all corroded and nasty. As you can see, the new one versus the old one, obviously a lot cleaner. So we're just going to install this new one, put this little filter, because the one we had did have the filter, but this yellow mesh that it has was gone. So we're going to put that on, new seal, and it should be good. So as you guys see, this floater that was the one that was originally in our scooter, it is not moving at all. You can see this little bar is all rusted, and there's a lot of corrosion that just kind of made this, get stuck. It's not moving. You can see the bottom. It's all nasty. I did end up buying a new one that's not specifically for this scooter, but more a generic one. But since we did get another gas tank, the other gas tank did actually come with an original one, so we're just using that one. It was in a lot better condition. It's a lot closer to look like this one than it was the other one that we just showed you. So I just went ahead and used it. Once we crank the scooter, we'll be able to tell if it's doing an accurate reading of gas or not, and change it out for this one if it isn't. Okay, so next day here, and what we're gonna do actually is we're gonna start the sanding process of the panels, which is, a long time due. Weather's finally on our side, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take all these panels out of the shed, I'm gonna lay them out, and I'm gonna start sanding them. And hopefully it won't take too long before we're already in the painting process. So Victoria and I have been working on sanding all the pieces for this scooter so we can start doing the priming and the painting. And we noticed on some of these parts that there's just little hairline cracks. This is old plastic, so there's little hairline cracks around what's this license plate bracket, as well as the front handlebar cover. And I guess there's kind of a little crack right here on the bottom part of the side panel. What we're gonna do is we're gonna use some of this JB Weld stuff, which is supposed to be pretty strong plastic adhesive, and yeah, just try to fix those cracks so they don't get any larger and break down the road. Okay, so I think that's actually going to be where we're going to call it for today's video. As you guys saw, we did get a few stuff done. We got that gas can back on that scooter. In addition to the gas tank, we also got all the sanding done so we can start doing the priming and the painting. But that's actually going to be in another video. With all that being said, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Turn on the post notifications so you don't miss out on anything. Check out some of the older videos. This is 4th or 5th video in the series of the scooter restoration rebuilding that we're doing. So make sure that, you know, check it out. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next one.